Namaskar everyone, I Nidhi Desai from Neera Global School. Welcome you to our maths class. Today we are going to learn our new topic. Before that we start the prayer. So kids, join your hands and close your eyes. Sarvamangal Mangalye Shive Sarvat Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Sarvamangal Mangalye Shive Sarvat Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Rub your palm. Put them on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone, and I hope you all are healthy and happy at your home. So kids, now let's start our today's presentation. Before we start our presentation, new presentation, let's revise what we did in the last presentation, kids. So let's see what we are going to do in the last presentation. Kids, please see here. What can you see here? Yes, here are the group of the things which are in more quantity and some are in the less quantity. So here in the last presentation we learn more and less concept. In the last presentation we learn more and less concept. In this concept which has more quantity, when we count the numbers and we count the more numbers of things, it has more in quantity, and which has less in number, these are less in quantity. Likewise, if we talk about this kind of material like cereals, pulses, which we can water, any kind of juice, any kind of liquids, that we cannot count, it is not countable. So these things are also we measure in more, in less quantity also. So let's count the things and observe and put them in the more and less group. First of all, we find here the quantity of rice in this plate. So tell me which quantity is less in amount. Less, yes, this purple color is less in quantity, so I am putting in on this the less group. And next is, these are more in quantity, so I am putting this in more group. Now again let's count this ring. Here are 1, 2 and 3. Purple rings are 3. And here is only 1. The white color ring is only 1. So tell me which one is more? Yes, this purple color is more in quantity. So we have to put this on the more group, and white is in less quantity. Next is about chalk stick. Next is about chalk sticks. So here we are going to count only one orange color, and here there are 3 green colors. So one is in less quantity and the 3 green colors are coming in the more quantity. Next is Skittles. Look at this group of Skittles. We can see here without counting, these are in less in quantity and these are in more in quantity. So kids, we have to keep this group of Skittle at on the more place, and this group of Skittles are in the less. Okay. So we can see here the more and less concept here. Now let's see our today's new presentation, kids. Here kids, we can see the different colors of ring in different quantity. This is our Montessori material. We learn with this material the counting of numbers and with the fixed quantity, with the fixed color. Okay, here we can see here, and here let's see the quantity of rings and with their number. Yes, first I am taking this pink colored ring, 1 and 2. How many pink colored ring is? 1 and 2. Then after I am taking this orange colored ring. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here are, this is 5 in quantity. So I am putting here the number also. First of all I am put here number 2. And then after I am putting here number 5. Right? I am putting here number 5. So kids, should we compare here the amount of quantity of rings? Yes. With the number 2 there are 2 rings, and with the number 5 there are 5 rings. So which number has more quantity? Yes, the 5 has more quantity and this number 2 has less quantity. So which number has less quantity? That number is smallest number. Which number has less quantity? That number is smallest number. Here if we compare these two numbers, so 2 has less quantity. So this 2 number is a less number. Sorry, small number. 2 is smaller number than 5. Let's see another one. Here we have to put 4 rings. So here the purple color is indicate number 4. So if we compare here between 2, 5 and 4, so which has less quantity? Yes, here is number 2 has less quantity. So if we compare between 2, 5 and 4, 2 is the smallest number and 2 has less quantity of 3 of this. Okay. So kids, what we are going to learn here? Here we are going to learn about smallest number. Here we are going to learn about smallest number. So kids, please understand which has less quantity, which has less amount of numbers. These numbers are smallest number. Okay kids, now let's see next numbers. Putting back one by one. Whenever we use our Montessori material, we have to put them back on the place. It helps us to keep our things proper in the place. Okay. Now let's take next numbers. Here I am taking number 9, number 1 and number 3. Here I am going to take number 9, number 1 and number 3. Now here let's put the quantity. First of all, this is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इस तरह से भी आप बच्चों को काउंटिंग सिखा के क्वांटिटी ऑफ द नंबर्स दिखा सकते हो. This red color is fixed for 9 quantity in the Montessori. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, let's see. This is 9. These are 9 rings. Now let's talk about number 1. So this is number 1. The white color is fixed color for number 1. Then after 3. So this green color is fixed color for number 3. There are only 3 rings. So now let's compare which has less quantity. Yes, this ring here is in less in amount, less quantity. So one number has less quantity. So this number is smallest number. So kids, here is the countable numbers. We can count easily the quantity of amount. Now let's talk about 2-digit numbers. जैसे जैसे 2-digit numbers आगे जाते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे काउंटिंग थोड़ी सी हार्ड होती जाएगी. So what to do about this when it comes on the 2-digit number, tens and ones place? So we using here decimals. We using here decimals. So here if I talk about number 10 and number 23. If I compare between 10 and 23, what to do? Here is only 10 rings. Here is the amount with only 10 rings. So let's take our decimals. Right? This is 110 for number 10. 23. So here I am putting 2 tens and 3 ones makes number 23. So with the help of decimals we easily recognize the smallest number. So now tell me which number has less quantity. So kids, here the number 10 has less quantity. It has only 1 tens. And let's see about 23. It has 2 tens and 3 ones. So it has more quantity compared to number 10. So here number 10 is the smallest number. Now let's talk about another number. As I say, we have to put everything back on the place when we complete our numbers, when we complete our work. So next number is 42 and 31. Okay. Next number is 42 and 31. So here I am putting how many tens and ones? So let's read. This is 4 tens and 2 ones. So I am putting here 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many ones? 2 ones. 1 and 2. Then after 3 tens and 1 ones. So here I am putting 1, 2 and 3 tens and 1 ones. So now tell me which number has less quantity, kids? Yes. The number which has less quantity is 31. 31. Okay, here is the 4 tens and 2 ones and here are 3 tens and 1 ones. Okay kids, now let's talk about another number. Okay, I am taking here next number which is same tens place but different in ones place. Okay, here I am putting 4 tens and 3 ones. Here is 4 tens and 2 ones. Now here the kids are little bit confused. So let's see 1, 2 and 3 and after how many ones? 1, 2 and 3. Here you can easily see this. There are different, Sorry kids. Here we can see easily this number has less quantity and this number has more quantity. The tens place are same, but on the ones place there are only 2 decimals, and in this number the ones place has 3 decimals. So we can compare this number with quantity less or less number, less amount, small number. Now let's talk about more numbers. So kids, here I am putting more numbers. Okay. And then we have to compare these numbers and tell me which numbers are less in quantity. Okay, here are the numbers which has quantity 4 tens, 2 ones. So here I am putting 4 tens and 2 ones. Here are 4 tens and 2 ones. Next number is, and their quantity is 2 tens, 1 ones. Next number is 4 tens and okay is only 4 tens and there 1 tens. Now kids, see which number has less quantity. See here and please identify the smallest number. Which number has less quantity? Yes, the number is 10. So 10 number has less quantity. 10 number has less quantity. Okay kids, so I hope you understand the smallest number with the help of quantity. Okay, and please do practice about these numbers and find the smallest number. So kids, thank you everyone and have a nice day.